Fool, lightning's happening right now. Lightning and thunder. You guys hear that? Dude, it's raining. Shit, no, dude, it's raining right now. Look, raindrops. Shit. Oh no, that thunder. Ooh, it's raining. My mom's phone isn't waterproof. Yes, it is. Look. Look. Oh shit. No. No shit. Hell no.
What if one like strikes like right through?
Dude, I'm going in my tent. Shit. Wait, no. We need to see this. Dude, this could go terribly wrong if it hits one of these cords. If it hits one of those cords, hell no. This could go so bad. Oh, fuck him. Hello. Sam.
Your phone picture. Oh, I saw one. Your phone picture off like.
Go inside if you're gonna talk to me. Why? Go. Why? Dude, she just has to bring her freaking stupid boyfriend conversations here. Stupid sister.
Just jealous. I'm just kidding. Look at that. I'm a dork.
Shit. Okay.
That was like 2 times.
Dude, I missed it. No, F. Fuck. Shit, dude, it's raining hard. It's raining hard. Shit, hell no. Hell no, dude. No, no. Shit, wait. No, I want to catch a lightning bolt. I have not catched a lightning bolt.
It's been like 5 minutes. We catch.
I know. Hell no. Hell no. F that. Hell no.
Oh wow, you guys are excited.
Dude, you guys, look at the tree.
Dude, oh my god, dude, that tree. Shit.
What if out an orange tree gets penetrated?
This thing happens every single day. Like when it rains.
Dude, it's raining hard now.
Oh, it's
Oh
not.
wow, this isn't raining.
It's like pouring.
Shit. Dude, Dude, that thing's moving. Because of the wind. Look, dude, it's moving because of the wind.
Look at the tree.
Oh shit. Dude, it's raining. Oh my god. Dude. On the way. Dude, this is crazy. Especially for California. I know if you're watching this and you're in Canada, you're like, yeah, this freaking happens every winter. Shit. Shit. We're not even in winter, man. We're in freaking summer. This is crazy. Damn it. No. Oh my god, dude, acorns are falling and hitting us. Dude, acorns are falling and no one cares about you, train. Oh, shit, no. Dude, I think it's clearing up.
Clearing up the tsunami.
Tsunami?
How long has it been?
I don't know, like 4 minutes.
You still have it?